this video, I'll be giving you step-by-step guide on how you can sell your Tron from Telegram wallet, or if you have any other coin there, how you can sell it or how you can convert it to USDT and sell it through P2P on Telegram app. Very simple. So if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that so that anytime I upload any good video, YouTube will notify you. Please don't forget to share and give a thumbs up. So without much talk, let's get started so we know how to do this. First of all, you have to click on Telegram. You must have a Telegram app. If you don't have any Telegram app, go to your Apple store or go to Play Store to download Telegram and verify your account with your Gmail and your original phone number. That's all how to sign up to Telegram app. So now we click on our Telegram. This is our Telegram. So let's wait for it to load. Make sure you stay around to the end of this video. This is a vital one in case of any of you that is finding a way on how you can be able to sell your BTC, USDT, TON, and every other coin that is available on Telegram. So this is the video for you. So make sure you stay around to watch the end. So now you see these three hamburger sign at the left corner of your Telegram app. You click on it. Let me highlight it for you to see it very well. Let me highlight it for you. This, you can see this. So you click on that three hamburger sign. So a drop down menu will pull out. So you locate wallet. So this is the wallet. After profile, you see wallet. After profile, you see wallet. Let's go back. Sorry, please. After profile, you see wallet. So I'm trying to highlight it for you so that you can get it very clear. You can see it here, wallet. So we click on that wallet so that it will take us to the wallet section of Telegram. So if you have not activated your wallet on Telegram, so I have a video on that. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can always see all my videos. I'll be doing a full tutorial on that again, but this is how you can. But this particular video, we are talking on how you can sell any coin or you transfer any crypto, any coin to your Telegram wallet. How you can convert it to your hard cash, to your currency. So now we have logged in, we have opened our Telegram wallet. So the next thing we are going to do, we have the send, we have the add crypto, we have the exchange, we have the P2P market. So let me highlight all this for you so that you can see it. This is the send, this is the add crypto, this is the exchange, this is the P2P market. This is where we are going to be using. We are going to be using the P2P market to exchange our crypto to our cash that we can be able to make use of it. So we will click on this P2P market. Let's wait for the system to load. Now you can see two options, buy and sell. You are seeing two options here, buy and sell. So we are going to sell. We are not buying. We are going to sell. You can see it, buy. While the other one is what? Sell. So we are going to sell. So we'll tap on the sell button. Now you can see the list of people that are selling tons. Depends on the coin you want to sell. You can see it. We are selling ton because we have ton to sell. We did not convert it to USDT. If you convert it to USDT, you will come to this crypto here. You will come to this very place. Come to this very place where you see crypto here. You can change any coin you want to sell that you have on your wallet from there. Here is where you change your currency. So we are in Nigeria. We are selling with NGN. So we leave it there at Nigeria. So this is where you select the type of merchant you tend to do this business with. the verified merchant, the trusted, and the one that have badge. So they are all good. So this is where you select it. So this is where you choose the option you intend to receive your money or intend to have your money to your bank account, whether through transfer or through any bank. So you select it there. So let me bring out the option one after the other so that you guys can see it. So let's go for the crypto first. Here is where you can select any type of coin you want to sell, whether USDT, TON, BTC. We have selling TON. That is why we mark TON. We are selling TON. So these are all the country that is available. You can see it. You can choose any country from here. So we are not going to change that because we are selling to NGM. So the other one is when you want to choose from the merchant, whether trusted merchant, national ID verification merchant, or depends on the one you want, they will pop out for you. Choose all of them might pop out for you to make your trade with. So you come to all, under all, you see bank transfer, OPay, Kuda, depends on the bank you want to. So we are using bank transfer. We just tap on that bank transfer, click on done. Now good. So these are all the people that are selling. So let's look for the one that merge our trade. This one is selling from 20,000 to 2.5 2.5 million or so. While this one is selling for 20,000 to 30 million or so. So we want to sell just a low quantity for the sake of this video. That is why I'm selling that. I just transfer that little ton to this wallet so that I can be able to complete this video for you guys. So make sure you subscribe and follow up with my YouTube channel in case anytime I do any good video, you will be updated by YouTube. Please share to your loved ones, give a thumbs up, comment if there's anything that you found confusing that you don't understand. Just use the comment section and message me, so I'll reply you. I'll be very glad to reply you. So let's look for our merge. Let's look for the one that is selling our offer. This is still 20,000. This is selling 1,600 to 1.59. So let's go with this Gadaf. So these are the let's check its analysis. Let's check its analysis. So Gadaf have 100% trade, and it has trade 7,338 trade. You can see it here. Available ton on this wallet at this particular time is 193.638 ton. So is the limit of ton that is selling is 1,006 to 1.55. So it's selling on bank transfer. We can see everything there. You can just see it, bank transfer, and the bank is listed there also. So let's go with him. I think it's good for this trade. So I'll click on him. So now we are selling all our tons. So what we need to do is just to click on, we just need to click on this very place that see all, because we are selling all our tons we have on our wallet. And this is where the amount you are selling is going to show up. This is the available balance we have on our wallet. So let's do that by clicking select see all. So click on this see all. You can see it. We are selling all our tone. So the next thing is for us to click on what? Confirm that I've already added my bank account. Let me show you where you need to add your bank account so that you can continue with the trade. You just need I've already added mine. It will show you to add your bank account. So I've already added mine. So we just have to continue. So I'll click on continue. Create order. So the order has been created, waiting for the buyer to confirm. So when the buyer confirms, they will make payment and click on payment me. So I will release the coin to him. That's simple on how you can sell your BTC, Ton, USDT, any coin that is available on Telegram wallet with your wallet through P2P. So we will be waiting for the buyer to pay it, and I have confirmed my payment from my bank app. Actually, I've received the payment, so I need to click on this confirm payment also, so that this very place, so that I can release the coin to him. This very place, to click there, just tap on it. So tap on confirm again. Do you confirm that you have received 3228.14 NGN? Yes, I confirm it. Then you insert your pin. You cannot see. That is simple as how you can sell your Bitcoin, Notcoin, USDT, any coin that is available with Telegram app. Thank you guys. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Share in case I do any good video. YouTube will always notify you. It costs nothing for you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.